Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Mood. Today we are the 14th of December 2021 guys. Everybody's freaking out, everybody is depressed. Should we be depressed right now guys? We are going to see this, we are going to study our Bitcoin chart as usual guys, and after that we are going to make an analysis of Blocktopia. So Blocktopia price prediction again guys. Welcome to the Crypto Mood, and without further ado let's get into the content. And guys, don't forget to claim your $600 bonus right here. Just scan the QR code and you'll be able to get that as a benefit in your trades guys. Also the VIP signal down there available. Just click that join button. But let's get into the Bitcoin chart guys. I was telling you we would be squiggling all around this area. So did we guys. What I see here is that we are bottoming on the Shandemo guys. And that's a good sign. The VIX is a mixed signal, so we are not really going to take care of it. All moving averages are bending, which means they might cross very soon. And here on the RSI, we are on a support line that you can see right here. So we got some support right here in this area, guys. It's not the time to be desperate and depressed, guys, because things can be happening. And I really think that right now we are going to see some upside right here, guys. But most of all, I want to show you the big picture, and this is the prediction that I did based on 2017 bull run. I know many of you guys have been following some of the biggest crypto Twitter accounts that are actually comparing these two bull markets, guys. This is the blue line is the 2017 bull market, guys. We are absolutely following it, guys. We've been down there. We are exactly following that movement. We have been down there, and here was the dump that we are in, guys. What happened back in 2017 after that dump? It went up on a V shape. So let's not lose any hope, guys, because with this projection we can still see a very high number in March, guys. Around the 19th of March we can see still a 2000k Bitcoin. So remember, if one day in March you see 2000k, remember the Crypto Mood told me I didn't follow it, guys. Pay attention, it's not time to be desperate, guys. So let's have a look at Blocktopia. Where are we going right now? We are going back on the 4-hour chart, guys. So we had here a potential prediction here that wasn't happening, so we are just going to remove it. And right now we are trending right here down there. So we need to find which support lines stopped us from going lower. And we have one right here that did support. Okay, so that's not the right one. I really want to find the one that did support in this area. So let's try it in a different way. And it's most probably this one. Okay, so we are going to extend it up to here. We guys can see we have a lot of support down here on the RSI. We are at the lowest. We are at the lowest here on the Shandemo, guys. We are extending our VIX in the higher block. So guys, that's all pretty bullish actually. The only thing that looks a little bit bearish is this crossing here, but it's done, and I really believe that the rest of the market is going to trend on the upside. So what can be our next move for Blocktopia, guys? We have a trend line right here. So I think first of all we are going to go back there around 0.079, so 0.80, guys, and the potential move here is probably to break that level up. Then we are going back to 0.13, which means previous all-time high from this area, guys. So don't be desperate. I know many people right now are super desperate, and there is absolutely no reason. We all have PTSD from 2017. We all expected something to happen in December. Now we all expect a radical dump for 80%. I don't see any kind of dump like this. Back in 2017, what we had was a lot of negative news hammering Bitcoin price lower and lower on a daily basis. We had so many bad news on a daily basis. This December we had no bad news, guys. It's just COVID and fear and hysteria, guys. Just hysteria. Don't take part in that. Be responsible, trade in a responsible way. Join the channel, stay with us, join the Telegram channel where we can talk freely of everything, guys. I really want to see you there, and see you later on today. We are going to make another analysis, so you can even suggest the next analysis today on the Telegram group or on the VIP group. You're gonna have a better I'm gonna listen better to what you want, guys. Okay, that's gonna be it. I see you later today. Have a fantastic day. See you. Bye bye. Don't forget the QR code. Bye bye.